programmatically create C#.NET Excel charts in 1 minute. In this video, we'll learn how to quickly create a chart based on data inside an Excel sheet with document solutions for Excel.NET Edition. First, add the proper using statements and create your workbook and worksheet objects. Next, provide a name and add data values within the worksheet. Now, create 2 tables and assign the range of data values we previously added to the tables. Next, add named variables and apply formulaic logic from our tables. Using these named variables, start setting cell values within the sheet. Now, create a shape object to add a chart to the sheet. Set axis properties and add a series to the chart based on our table values. After setting some final formatting properties, save the workbook to a new XLSX file and open the newly created sheet. Here, we can see the newly created, fully integrated budget chart placed within our worksheet next to the data. Download a free trial of document solutions for Excel today at developer.meshius.com.